Hello everyone, we announced a new release of a new version of OpenFrame 1.2.1. Besides of a bunch of fixes, we also want to release and show you several fascinating features, such as Scheduled Script. You can go to Scripts and there is a new tab. You can add a new script here with name and nodes. Also, you can choose either you want to run on schedule or you want to run the script when device becomes available from offline to online. And of course, the scheduler, daytime, and you can have checkbox and repeat running the script in some particular period of time. And you can also choose several platforms that we support. And there is a drop-down of existing scripts. You can have several scripts scheduled on the devices. Moreover, you can have criteria how you want to choose your devices. For example, you can see the list of devices here under the Assigned Devices tab. And when you want to add more devices, you have a new option, select devices by criteria. There is several criteria such as customers. When you select several customers, there should be all the devices triggered of these customers. And also you have operation system here in custom criteria here. Also, we released Guardrails per customer. You can go to the customer and click on AI Guardrails. There is an ability to edit default global configurations. But if you want to update Guardrails per customer, you need to click on Edit Customer and uncheck this checkbox. So here you just extend the global configuration, but now here you can edit Guardrails per customer to trigger all of them in your chat client. For example, you can choose custom and change the configuration. Also, we have user self-deletion functionality. Here you can delete your user and remove your access to organization. But please remember that owners have to transit their role to another person before deletion. Also, we have escalation functionality when the user encountered an issue with AI assistance and want to speak to human. They can trigger a human ticket right from the chat by in few words. For example, I want to speak to a human. And you can be redirected right to the technician. Or you can request a technician from your regular dialog. For example, I have some troubles with network. And you can request a technician right from here. Also, when you mention several times that the issue is not fixed, and here, one more time. And after the third time, we can see that escalation is triggered. Also, we added a new API to Mingo. Now you can work with ticket creation and editing with device organization and assignees. Also, there is ticket assignment and non-assignment, nodes and text management, device listing, and scripts listing and execution. You can create tags right from the Mingo chat. For example, create 2 tags for tickets, tag 1 and tag 2. You can approve or reject. We can list customer devices, list customer devices, and it's listed. You can also work with knowledge base, create articles, and so on, and assign devices and customers and other entities that we have there. Thanks for watching. In case of any questions, you can contact us, create a ticket, or request a call. And there are many cool features ahead. So stay with us and have a nice day.